The TC Gottesman Library is the first site when you go online and search for it. It looks like this. And for the rest of the time, I'll briefly explain what the website provides. Before we continue, please log into your TC Uni account on the top right corner until you're able to follow along with the next few slides. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find whatever resources you need from the TC Library website. So on the top right-hand side are the operation hours and the main menu bars. The home page shows you what the hour is for the day, and if you click on it, you'll be able to see a complete time schedule for the upcoming months. The main menu bar provides many descriptive resources of the library. Under the Services tab, you'll find some quick links to some of the library features, such as a pop-up of the Ask a Librarian window. And if you click on News, you'll find ongoing events and quick links on the right-hand side again. Guess that's why they're quick links. In the very center of the library homepage is a search bar. You can essentially search for anything you can think of. For example, if I were to search for information about learning analytics, it will return all possible results in the form of books, articles, archives, journals, and websites. On the left-hand side of the homepage are the 4 quick link buttons. They are the most requested services if a student visits the library website. Course Reserves is an archive of reading materials for your courses. When you're logged in and jump to the Reserve website, you'll be on a request page where you can request and reserve any kind of materials from the library. In addition, on the right-hand side where it says My Classes, when you click on that, you'll be able to find all reading materials that you can download in the form of a PDF or a website link for the specific course. Room reservation is designed very clearly on the website. If you would like to book a room in the library, this is the place. Where whatever you want to do with the room, the library can always find you a perfect match. Just a friendly reminder, it'll be the best if you plan ahead and book the room a few days in advance. Ask a Librarian allows you to connect with a librarian with all sorts of categories, including book search, research questions, or special events requests. Furthermore, if you click on the menu bar, the home page, FAQs, and forums, you'll find other general questions under different categories. In the bottom center of the homepage, you'll find latest news from the TC Library. For example, there is information on how you can participate in a succulent painting workshop at school. Try to find and attend some interesting events going around the TC community. On the bottom right-hand side of the homepage is the feature content, something that the library promotes and encourages everyone to see. They can be an event at school, a piece of news within the country, or anything in the world. On the bottom left corner are some less popular quick links such as guidelines for printing and scanning at the library, lists of accessible databases, and a place to pay your fine to the library if you missed out the deadline of returning a book. There are some additional features when you scroll down the homepage. You'll see a section of new additions to the library collection. You're also able to see the status of the readings, whether it's available in hard copy at the library, online, or if it's checked out. Lastly, if you scroll all the way down of the homepage, you're able to view all the applications that are established by the library, and we'll go into more detail following this tutorial.